another Epicflows Production.
Yo, at 2017, and the dancehall controversy them can never seem to end. Right about now, Beenie Man and make Stickman a start wonder like, really man? Another feud, another fight, another somebody a Badman again. Right about now, Beenie Man remix Alkaline song, Badness it name, and start say a Badman it name. Cause Stickman wanna know if a Badman Beenie a Badman Alka. Cause Beenie Man say, Alkaline say, he's done with dirty Jamaica, and he's not performing at dirty Jamaica. So, Stickman never know say, Beenie Man and Alkaline a friend, and Beenie Man and Alkaline a world conversation. Cause Alkaline and Movado apart, and last time Stickman member, Beenie Man and Movado are never friend. Cause Movado did say, you fi chill like the duck and go simmer, or something like that. So, Beenie Man and Alkaline, that connection they never really a two penny for Stickman. So right about now, how Beenie Man a say, him hear Alkaline say, X, Y, Z. That Stickman want to know. Stickman remember, see a news say Alkaline a say him not performing in Jamaica for about 2 years. So, him a pull a J-Cole right there so. So, him a go hot in the street so him finally eventually ready to perform. Is a strategy. And you don't know Alkaline have the strategy them lack. The man is a marketing genius. The man always get the people talking. Right about now, the man supposed to change the name from Alkaline to Al Controversy Line. Yo, Stickman never did I expect Alkaline to respond to Beenie. But Alkaline took to Instagram. And I know Twitter finger this, but Alkaline exercise him Insta fingers. Alkaline say, big bad word Beenie, me know ya. How you so lie? Tag him. Him tell him fan them to tag him cause him no follow nobody and him not tag nobody. But Alkaline say Beenie know you. So Beenie, you look like a liar cause Alka say him don't know you. So how you say him done with dirty Jamaica? And mind you make up things but Beenie, why make you wanna make up things? Why? Popcorn, where there? Ask Beenie why you make up things? So we wanna know who a go on, who a lie, who a tell the truth. Beenie, who a go on? And we know Beenie Man love drop singles. So right about now, expect Beenie Man to drop a single of this Alkaline soon. And we wanna know what the Vendetta boss a go do next. If him a go drop a single too, cause I publish this name. The man say everybody a drop. Him nah back them time, no challenge. The man ready for it. So what this you want see what go on next in the 2016? Stickman wanna know who a go next, who a go on, who a go be the artist, and who a go be the one who a go make the hardest this track. Oh, when Stickman talk, no one walk.
Stickman talk.
Oh, after that now, Beenie Man drop a long level post. Him say, me glad how the artist hear me. At 2 years now, the fans them a support him music and can't see him. I hope him do some show now, despite me. I'm pleasing fans. Since I that's how the thing reach. Me please my fans, them pick me for decades now. Pay my dues, show my respect to the music. Musicians, DJs, promoters, patrons and sound systems. Music is a service to the fans, not a hype thing. Many artists come and go, and me still there. When I take music for game, Instagram Badman thing and on my style. You might take up my current style off work on Instagram. Me just done the one bag of show in December alone and tired. Beenie Man say me tired, I'm retired. Tell the man say me dey on vacation, yeah man. Me a take break, so me can come back, come work some more for me fans them. Tag him, him say tag him back, like Alkaline did say. And the man no say him retired, you know. Him say him retired. So expect him back. Beenie Man say Alkaline for do some show. PM for them respect and thing in my Instagram Badman. I wonder if Alkaline go spend again. Oh, when Stickman talk, no man walk. Stickman just want to see what go on. What on the feel say go happen next? When the feel say Alkaline go respond again? When the feel say Beenie Man go make a diss track? When you comment in the comment section, make Stickman know what go on. Oh, when Stickman talk, no man walk.
Stickman talk, no man walk.
It's epic out here.
Epicflows Production.
Radical epic.